Here we are at the greenhouse, and we're about to go in and pick our pineapple we've been growing for 2 years. And here it is. If you've watched the other videos, you've seen we have a pineapple it's actually ready now. It's been growing here in British Columbia in our greenhouse, and we're going to cut it. I don't drop it in the fish pond. Okay, look at this. And this, there's my hand. That's a nice, it's just turning yellow. It smells wonderful. And we have a little baby one coming here that I will repot. And we'll take this in the kitchen, we'll open it up, and we'll see what it looks like, and repot the top to grow another pineapple. Okay, back to the kitchen. There's a view of our flowers. It's a beautiful spring day in Salmon Arm. There's the yellow peonies and the lupins, red and purple.
There's others.
Yeah, just beautiful. And the pink peonies. We love Salmon Arm because we have 4 seasons. There we go. So we're headed to the kitchen. And we'll just see what we have. Okay, here we are in the kitchen, and you take the top of your pineapple and you give it a twist. And this is how we started our pineapple. And you have a small area here that, when put in the rooting compound, which I have ready.
You peel off a bunch of
these. You peel these off.
That's right.
Okay.
About 3 layers.
About 3 layers. And this is how we got our pineapple, and anybody can do this. Everybody should have a greenhouse. I think they should put them onto houses, because you could have your own greenhouse right there.
Okay, that's probably good.
Okay, now we're going to take this, and I have potting mix. This is orchid potting mix, and it's nice and dampened. I soak it down with water, and we're just going to put it in there.
It's a non-soil potting.
It's a non-potting soil.
Non-soil potting mix.
Non-soil potting mix. And so, as long as it's kept wet, it will root. And once it gets so that we'll keep an eye on it over time, the roots will start to grow, we'll pot it, and we'll get another pineapple. Now here, we're going to just cut this open quickly, and we're going to see what our pineapple in British Columbia is like.
You're going to slice it in half?
I was just... Okay, here we go. Oh, look at that. Now, oh, it smells wonderful. It does smell good. Okay, you know this is all possible. Now we're going to take the outside off.
A little more, dear.
A little more here. Okay. I don't have one of those miracle pineapple things. This is hot because it's 100 degrees in our greenhouse today, and this pineapple is hot. And we're going to have a slice before I finish it all off, and we're going to taste it. Okay, my husband and I are here. Here's a taste test that proves it can be done. Oh, is that good? That is good. It's sweet, but just a tiny bit of tart, but very, very juicy. Very juicy. I wish you could have a piece, because this is something anybody can do. If we can do it here in Salmon Arm with large snowy winters, anybody can do this. Yeah, there's nothing wrong with this pineapple. Look at that. We have one more coming, and we're going to plant these, and we'll be eating pineapples again soon. It's very fun. Thank you, and bye for now while we enjoy this.
What, red button?
Mm-hmm.